Right, well, we gave it a night to cure up inside and looks and smells good. So I'm going to go ahead and set up now to do my final sanding. And since we have no way of holding it spinning, I'm going to go with my large 5-inch disc sanding method. So what I do to do that is I just use a Jacob's chuck and a 5-inch pad. Inexpensive thing. It's from Harbor Freight, like a lot of my less expensive tools are. But I have found this method to be very reliable. You get a nice thick foam pad on there. I think the last time I had this on there, I got a 400. Yeah, 320 on here. And we're going to start at 150 grit, and we're going to work our way all the way to 400 on this one. Oops. And then I'll show you how that works. It's not super exciting to watch the whole process, so I'll probably just start out explaining what I'm doing, how I roll the corners and stuff, and make sure that it looks symmetrical. And by the time we're done, though, it'll look beautiful and polished. You can hear that? Nice and light. I don't know if I can get it to whistle. Brad tried too. Almost. So anyway, we'll set that up, get that rolling, and I'll get you going, and we'll send you on your way. Okay, through most of this process, I like to keep my dust collector on. The walnut really affects me more than most woods for reasons I don't know. Never had an allergy test to find out if there's something going on there with me. I still love it. I would still never stop turning it. It is by far my favorite wood. But I still want to get that dust collector on. So basically all I'm going to do is take my 5-inch disc, and I get the Hercules discs. They're very inexpensive. Start with 150, 220, 320, and then 400. These are inexpensive. I can get like 50 of them for, $14, $15 at Harbor Freight. I like to keep my speed about medium when I'm doing it, somewhere around 650, 800, because I'm relying on myself to move it away. And I'll do a quick one before turning the dust collector on so you can see what I'm talking about here. So I'm at 750 RPM, and I just take it from the middle and just come out to the side like that. And I'll slowly roll it around. But you can see how that just kicks up dust everywhere. And I can visually see from the side if I like the contour I'm getting, because I am shaping it a little bit this way. But I'm also looking to make sure there's no tool marks or sanding lines from our previous work. So that first face, I haven't done the walnut here in the middle, but we get down to there. So I can come across the walnut, just down. Spin it around so I get it the other direction. And we get a really nice finish there. We're going to see we're going to have a lot of nice grain up here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and put you guys on a time lapse and get my dust collector running. So keep our lungs safe, and we'll wrap it up at the end. Okay, with it all sanded down now, we're going to take it over to the buffing wheel, and we'll work some white diamond into it, and then we'll do some carnauba, and then we'll be ready to top it off. So that's where we're at right now. All right, well, got my little stopper done. I got this all polished up, so we can thread our little stopper in here. And looks to me like we have a finished canteen. So, well, in this case, it's more of a mini canteen or a flask. But hopefully you enjoyed watching that. If you did, I'd appreciate a like and a subscribe. And make sure to check out Carrie and Brad's videos. That's where this inspiration came from the Two More Ways series they're doing. So that's Brad at Q Branch and Carrie Corney at Carrie Corney, the Australian and the Californian. So make sure to check theirs out. And if you did like this, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you'd like to see, and if you enjoyed the process, how you would change things, what you would have done a little differently. Again, it's just a fun project to do, and look forward to seeing what you guys come up with. Anyway, have a great time. Get out there and turn something.